Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the winter season is here and we don't like that matte look in the winter season. So in this video I'm going to show you how I create this super glowy and gorgeous and flawless makeup look. Before starting the makeup, the main thing I want to do is skin prep so that my skin will look soft and supple. So I have been using some products from the Lotus Organics range. So the first product I am going to use is this Lotus Organics Holistic Regenerating Exfoliator. So it's a sulfate-free, cruelty-free and vegan formula which is proven to refine and renew the skin without tearing the skin underneath. And the consistency of the product is jelly-like, infused with acai berry, which smoothly glides on the skin to exfoliate dirt and dead skin cells while providing deep nourishment. And also acai berry is an anti-aging agent. It has vitamin C combined with vitamin A, which clears pores and increase collagen production. So it keeps your skin plump and wrinkle free. As we age, our skin tends to become drier as the epidermal layer becomes weaker and prone to losing moisture. So this exfoliator will exfoliate the dead skin cells and make your skin soft and supple. So you have to just gently massage this exfoliator into the damp skin for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it with some cool water. You can use this every alternate day. Then I will go with the Lotus Organics Divine Nutritive Cream, and also it has SPF 20 in it, and the consistency of the product is creme but it is not too heavy. And also the main ingredients of this product is Irish moss, which has the ability to transform your skin. So it's richly hydrating. So I use this every morning before my makeup, and it helps to moisturize my skin as well as it gives them a beautiful glow, so my skin looks healthy and glowy. And also after I remove the makeup at night, I use the Lotus Organics Divine Restorative Night Cream so that it will replenish and repairs the skin. And the consistency of the product is really thick cream like, which is perfect for my dry skin. So this rich cream crafted with macadamia nut oil, which melts into the skin. Macadamia oil is a very rich ingredient which have omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This oil aids sensitive skin and reduces itchiness and rashes, along with easing out your skin conditions. So while you are sleeping, it promotes a healthy, smooth texture by the morning. So I really love this range for my skin because it helps with my acne prone and drier skin, so my skin feels really good. So if you want to invest in this product, I will leave the link in the description box along with a coupon code so you can have some discounts on them. So yeah, now let's start with the makeup. So my skin is prepped now I'm going to prime my skin. So for that I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me primer, and this is the dewy and smooth primer, and today I want to glow like a disco ball or something. So yeah, I am using this primer, and this primer, oh my god, this primer is so good. Like I really love this, and I have dry skin and I have been raving about this primer, so you have to try this out. Just look at the glow it gives. So I really enjoy this primer. So for my foundation, I am going to use my Fit Me foundation in the shade 220, and I am going to use a beauty blender to blend it, and look at how glowy it looks. Like just wow, it looks like a glass. And now for the concealer, I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and this is a medium coverage concealer. It also have a dewy finish. If you have like dry under eyes, or if you have like dry patches on your under eyes, so this is a perfect concealer for that. So yeah, I highly recommend this. And also I'm going to use cream and liquid products today. So for contouring, I'm going to use this NYB contour stick, and if you are watching my videos, I have been loving this product, and this is really inexpensive. So yeah, I really highly suggest it if you're a beginner. And yeah, also I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender here. So for the blush, I am using a liquid lipstick today. So this is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature lipstick. This is like a tint like formula, so I am applying this on the back of the hand, then using it with a beauty blender here, and it blends out like this. So you can see that it gives me that tint on my like cheeks. So I really love this, and it is a really good formula for your lips as well as for your blush. So I really love this. So for the highlighter, I'm going in with the Nykaa Strobe and Glow, and this is in the shade Glaze Bronze. And yeah, I am going to like warm it up on the back of the hands, because like whenever I use it directly, it makes like a sticky and oily, like I don't like that. So I'm warming up and use it with a beauty blender, and it blends out like, just look at this, like the just look at this glow it provides. So I really love this. So if you're like using this product and you are not liking it, just warm it up, you are gonna love it. Now for my under eyes, because it's creasing, I am going to use this Fit Me Compact just with a brush and little handedly patting over this. Next up, for my eyeshadow, I am going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow in the shade Rosé in the Ear, and I am going to use this brown shadow as my crease shade, and I'm going to blend it with a blending brush. Then I'm going to use this darker brown shade and going to use this on my outer V. And also, which is left in the brush, I'm going to use it on my under eyes too. Then I'm going to use this Mars highlighter. This is in the shade For You, and this is like a pink highlighter, and I really love this shade. So I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow. So I am just using it with the help of my fingers first, then I am going to use a brush, and then I am going to blend the corners with the blending brush so that there is no harsh lines. Then I'm going to use this light bone shade on my inner corners to highlight them just a little bit. Then I'm going to use this Maybelline liquid liner, and I'm going to draw a wing here. So today I am not going to use any false lashes, so here just I am curling my lashes and use some mascara. And for the mascara, I am using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and using a lot of it, like a lot of it. Now I'm going to line my lips with the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Cherry Brown, and you know that I really love this shade. And for my lips, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven lipstick in the shade 11. Though it's a really affordable like lipstick, but I really love this shade. Like it have a pale nude shade, so with brown liner it looks amazing, like amazing. So yeah, that's it for this look. I really love this glowing skin. This video is all about the base, so I really love this, as you can see that, and the glow is, oh my god. So if you're going to recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I will love to see your photos, videos and anything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the look. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and be gorgeous. Bye bye.